for brush. Now let's go and make some art. Drawn paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes, and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Artie! Artie! I don't see him anywhere. Do you see him, little artists? Oh, there he is. He's hiding. Artie, we can see you, Artie. 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 Hello, Artie.
Greetings, Artie.
Greetings, Betty. Guess what we're going to draw today, Artie? It's something that you really like.
Do you think Artie is figuring out what he is going to draw today?
It's something fun. Would you like to draw your teddy bear?
Okay.
I know you love him.
Yeah.
Where is Artie? Where did he go? Doesn't he know we have to do a show?
It's a lovely day to create some art.
It sure is, Betty. Let's begin. Let's start with a big circle towards the top of the page. You can draw your circle a little bit at a time, like Artie's doing. You don't have to do one circle in one go. Great job, Artie. Now let's draw two little circles underneath the big one. These are going to be the feet of the teddy bear. Left foot. And now let's do the right foot. Try and make the circle the same size as the first one. It doesn't matter if it's not exact. There we go. We have a face and 2 feet. Let's do his mouth and nose. Draw a small circle, but leave it open at the top, because that's where we're going to put the nose. And the nose is going to be a triangle shape, but with little curved corners. And then we can draw that all in black. Now let's do a smiley mouth. Perfect. With a little line down from the nose. Now do another curve down from the mouth. Back up.
It's a lovely day to create some art.
It is. It's a lovely day, Betty. Now let's do 2 circles for the eyes. Now inside those circles, let's draw little moon shapes. See how Artie's drawing a little moon? And then another little moon in the right eye. Very good. Now let's fill in everything black apart from the moon shape. Does this look like your teddy bear, Artie?
Yeah.
His name's Billy? Billy the teddy bear.
Oh.
What? Are you okay? Oh, you want a shape break? Okay, we can have a shape break.
Hello and welcome to the Shape Break. My name's Louie and today I'm going to be teaching you about this shape right here. It's a cube. Yes, now, a cube is kind of square-shaped. It's actually got 6 sides, so the face, the front here, is a square indeed, but then also the top's a square, the bottom, and all the sides. So let's count all the sides. 6 sides altogether. Ready? 1, 2, that's the underside, 3, 4, and round the back, 5, 6. 6 sides to a cube. Amazing. Well, anyway, let's think of some sort of cubes in our lives. Let's think, well, ice cubes. I love ice cubes, especially in the summer when it's hot, you know. Cardboard boxes, they're cubes. Oh, Of course I forgot. The Rubik's Cube. It's the puzzle with all the little squares that you turn around and stuff. So, why did the Rubik's Cube go to the doctor? It had a case of the twists. Yeah, okay, I'm trying my best here, darling. I mean, why did the ice cube feel sad? He felt isolated. Isolated. This one's good. What is a box that plays beats? A beatboxer.
Oh, I guess you liked Louie's joke. Yeah, Louie's a funny guy. Okay, time for the ears. Let's do 2 ovals, one on the left, one on the right. And then do a smaller oval inside the ear and shade that in black. Same on the right side. That looks really good, Artie. Really great. Now, I think it's time to start getting the body of this teddy bear going. Do a curved line from the left foot, but don't go all the way to the head. Just stop before the head. Then the same on the right, and stop.
This is fantastic. I can't believe he can do that.
Well, I am helping a little bit, Mikey. Now let's do the arms. Right arm first. Oh, perfect. Now you see why we did that little gap on the sides of the body. Left arm. Very good. Now let's do a little oval inside. And that's what we call the pad. The pad of the teddy bear's arm. If you have a dog at home, they have pads on the underside of their feet. A little bit like teddy bears. Let's do the same on the right side. Be sure to shade it in black. Now let's do his tummy with a curved line. So start on his left foot, go round and end on his right foot. Now let's do the pads on the underside of his feet. You're enjoying yourself, Artie. We'll do a bigger pad underneath the toe pads. Be sure to shade it in. That looks really cute. Now guess what? We have to do exactly the same on the right foot. Are you watching, Betty and Mikey? Yes, they're taking it all in. Now's a good time to make any last-minute changes. Just perfecting a few little things. Oh yes, that's a good idea. You know, Artie, his butt is missing. There you go. Do his little butt. Very cute.
Artie, are you going to color it in now?
Yes, let's color it in. You're all finished. I really like his little pink mouth and his yellow feet. I think you made a masterpiece, Artie.
It's a masterpiece.
Yes, it is, Betty. I think you did a great job drawing your very own teddy bear, Billy.
What?
Let's say goodbye.
Bye-bye.
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 It's goodbye for now, but be sure to have an Artie day.